Hi guys, this week I've got a bandy leg Cindy to fix, and as you can see her legs are quite bowed, one leg's quite bowed there, and I'm going to show you how to straighten those out. So yeah, so I've got some materials here and some tools. I've got masking tape, which is easy to remove, and I've got a metal knife which is very strong and won't be affected by heat, and I'm going to use that as a splint. So I'm going to warm up her legs and then strap the legs to the metal splint, and then I'm going to cool down the legs in the right position and then they should set. So I'll start with the hairdryer and warming up the legs. You can also do this in a glass of boiling water. You can boil water and then pour it into a glass or a container that you can stand the doll in. The only reason I'm not doing that now is because my knife's going to be a bit too long for the glass, so I won't be able to fit it in. I'll see how I get on. Hopefully I can get the legs soft enough with the hairdryer. So I'm going to put the hairdryer on the highest heat, and I'm going to warm up the legs with the hairdryer. They don't feel that warm yet. I'm not sure I'm going to get them hot enough with the hairdryer. I think I might have to use the boiled water method. They feel quite warm now. I'm going to tape the legs onto the knife as quickly as I can before they cool down again. Make sure you don't use rubber bands to do this, because I've tried elastic bands in the past and I was horrified to find that they'd made deep grooves in the legs. And I did actually manage to get them out by soaking hot water again, but I was in quite a panic about it and it took quite a long time to get them out. So just use the sticky tape. Squeeze it together as hard as you can. So she's turning into a mummy. So what I also want to make sure is that the legs aren't kind of skewed that way in relation to the hips. I'm going to warm up the hips. She's quite kind of in the wrong position at the hips. Just try and ease the doll into the right position. I think that's, that's kind of how she's made at the hips. I don't think I can really change that anymore. Just nice and warm. I'm just going to leave her like that and hope that she sets in the right position. And I'll show her to you later and you can see how straight the legs are. Okay, time to go and see how our bandy-legged Cindy is getting on in her drying position in the garden. So here she is, and I'm going to take off the tape and see if the project has succeeded or not. Right, so here's my Funtime Sindy, and I'm going to remove the tape and see if her legs have set in the correct position. Masking tape, which is easy to remove. So I think that's a much better, that's a major improvement. She looks much better. I think this leg does veer that way a bit, but I think because of the hips being like moving her that way would open up the hips too much. So I think she's good to go now. Here's our finished Sindy Funtime with her beautiful straight legs. I hope you enjoyed that, and I'd love to read any comments that you have about the video. Let me know any other videos that you might like to see. Please do subscribe to catch my new upcoming videos. I think there's a bell icon you can click on to get notifications when a new one comes out. What else do I need to tell you? Comment, subscribe. Yeah, I think that's it, and really nice to see you again here, and see you again soon. Bye.